Hello everyone, I am Lokesh and welcome back to the channel. So friends, this video is related to how to start preparation for TCS Ninja, or if you prepare for the digital interview, and if you are from 2023 batch or the other batches, if you are preparing for the TCS Ninja or TCS digital interview, if you are from CS, non-CS IT student, so this video is very helpful for all of you because we share you the complete questions PDF as related to the Ninja and digital. Plus, I suggest all of you the best resources. Okay, so you can prepare easily for your interview if you are preparing for any of the interview like TCS Ninja or TCS Digital. So you can definitely crack your interview in first attempt. And one of the most important point on our channel, online learning, we provide latest opportunities, updates, videos that is related. So this is the complete PDF that is related to the digital and the Ninja interview experience. But I just prepare one presentation for all of you that is related to like how to prepare for the TCS Ninja plus digital interview for the 2023 batch. So one of the most important point, firstly we talk about the Ninja interview, okay, and after then we talk about the digital interview. So the first is related to the Ninja and the second is related to digital. If you find this video very helpful, please like and share the video, okay. So one of the most important point in your interview, the panelist, like the interview members are three. TR means that they take your technical round, okay. The TR panelist is related to your technical round. MR is managerial round related, and HR is related to the HR questions, okay. So this is all about the three panelists. In most probably so many interviews, the three panelists are there: TR, MR and HR, okay. So let's move on to the next important part. The resume is very important. Why I mention that the resume is important? Because most of the question, okay, like in your interview, if I talk about the questions level, so most probably 70 to 80% questions from your resume skills. Because if you mention C++ or Python in your resume, so already you updated your resume on the next step portal, so they know. Or if they are saying like you have to share your resume here, so when you share your resume and you mention like I am proficient in C++ and Python, so most probably the next question of TR is related to the C++ or Python, okay. So mention only those skills in your resume जिसके बारे में आपको बहुत अच्छे से पता हो, ओके. दिस इज वन ऑफ द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट. लाइक आप कुछ ऐसा मेंशन मत कर दीजिएगा जिससे कि फिर आपको उसके बारे में ज्यादा नॉलेज नहीं है, फिर वहां पर दिक्कत हो सकती है. And like if you know the trending technology, like if you are learning the data science, so you can also mention in your resume as a beginner, okay, and intermediate, okay. So this is related. You can update your resume, but you can't change on the next step portal right now, but you have to with your updated resume, because if they will allow you to share the resume, so it will be very good for you. One of the most important point, the introduction is very important, okay, because your introduction like TMAY means the tell me about yourself. So this is very important. And most questions from your resume, if you mention your skills, project and internship your resume, so prepare very well according to your skills, project and internship, okay. I suggest you free virtual internship websites for all of you that is related to top MNC free virtual internship. That website name is Forage, okay, Forage. The Forage websites is very good for doing virtual internship. You can complete your virtual internship and take the certification, verified certificate from that. And top MNC Accenture, Cognizant, Infosys are providing, and Deloitte are providing their free internship on that platform. This is for the internship. If you are non-CSIT student or CSIT student, if you not done any of the internship, so just go to this website and register for the internship. Next is situation based question. Most of the interview for the 22 batch, I just see that in most of the interview they ask some situation based question in the MR round. After that there is a HR interview question and the project based website, okay. So what is the project based website? There are so many projects, okay, according to your a particular technology, but the website name is Kashipara. You can find lot of projects related to some of the new technology, and you can get idea related to your project. Okay, so there are so many topics in which you can make your project. Okay, this is for the CSIT student, because if you mention your project, like if you mention if I done this project, so you have to mention in your resume. And if you not work on any of the project earlier, so please check this website once. Okay, according to your technology you can add your project. Okay, so this is related to that. So this is all about the CSIT student preparation. But what about the some other of the topics that you have to learn? Computer science subject. What do you mean by the computer science subject? The computer science subject is related to the object oriented programming, DBMS and DSLGO. You need to complete some basic to intermediate level here. Okay, मतलब आपको बेसिक से इंटरमीडिएट के बारे में पढ़ना पड़ेगा, because if you are preparing for the ninja interview, so most probably they ask some of the intermediate question also, some of the basic question also. एंड बेसिक प्रोग्राम कंसेप्ट आपको बहुत अच्छे से पता होना चाहिए. बेसिक प्रोग्राम क्या हो सकते हैं? पैलेंड्रोम का प्रोग्राम हो सकता है, ठीक है. अब प्राइम नंबर की हमें कंडीशन चेक करनी है तो हम कैसे चेक कर सकते हैं, ठीक है. डिफरेंट प्रोग्राम, द बेसिक प्रोग्राम, बेसिक जो हम कोई भी प्रोग्राम सीखते हैं, अरे वाला सीखते हैं, ठीक है. हम बेसिक प्रोग्राम अगर लिंक लिस्ट का प्रोग्राम सीखते हैं तो भी आप ये देख सकते हैं. बेसिकली अगर आप डेटा स्ट्रक्चर पढ़ रहे हैं तो वहां पर आपको ये देखना पड़ेगा कि बेसिकली जो ट्री रहता है उसका इम्प्लीमेंटेशन कैसे होता है, ग्राफ नहीं, ट्री का इम्प्लीमेंटेशन कैसे हो सकता है. बेसिक आप ये बेसिक प्रोग्राम देख सकते हैं, क्योंकि निंजा में इन निंजा इंटरव्यू you can expect basic program questions from your interviewer. So this is related to the CSIT student preparation. This is related to the non-CSIT student preparation. So there are the two conditions for the ninja and for the digital. So digital, I take the digital condition same for the CSIT and non-CSIT. Okay. So for the ninja, all the things are same. Resume is important, introduction, most question from resume, mention skill, situation based question, HR and project based website. So one of the most important point that I have to say for the non CSIT student, you have to mention your skills, like your branch related skills in which you are proficient. And if you are mentioning your branch related project, okay, if you are, so be proficient in it, like आपको उसके बारे में सब कुछ पता होना चाहिए. because if you not made the CSIT related project, so आपको अपने ब्रांच के अकॉर्डिंग जो प्रोजेक्ट के बारे में पता हो, you are proficient in that. okay, आपको इसके बारे में all details होनी चाहिए. and one of the most important point, you have to also prepare some of the basic OS, DBMS and data structures question. okay, because in some of the interview they ask some of the questions related to OS, DBMS and DS, because you are applied for the ninja and digital role, that is totally a IT technical role in the TCS. okay, this is related to non CSIT student preparation. So this is all about that non CSIT, CSIT. And when you these are some of the best websites for preparation. Geeks for Geeks, there are commonly asked DBMS interview question, Interview Bit website for the operating system, Java T Point website, and for the HR interview question, best to best websites is only two. First is IndiaBix website and second is Interview Bit, because Interview Bit website already mentions so many questions related to HR, like how you can prepare, tell me about yourself, what are your strength and weakness, who is the founder of TCS, who inspired you to be an engineer, are you interested in changing domain. And the TCS Ninja interview questions are also on the Interview Bit website. For the top DBMS question, for the interview preparation, C interview, C++, data structure, okay, any of the interview you can go to Java T Point website, as well as on the Geeks for Geeks website. There are a lot of questions related to your interview preparation. okay, so these are all websites for the preparation. Like when you preparing for tell me about yourself, So they also mention that like how you can add some of the important points in this, like how you can start. This is all about that. And for the technical interview, there are only good sections for that. So this is related to the Ninja interview. Okay, and CSIT student preparation and non-CSIT student preparation for the Ninja. Okay, let's move on to the digital interview. This is very important. I just mentioned that the resume, introduction, CSIT subjects, trending technology question, machine learning, data science, blockchain, IoT. Okay, so as we all know about that, the digital opportunity is for the 7 LPA package. So most probably if you are from CSIT, non-CSIT, so they expect from you, if you are from non-CSIT, they expect from you, you should know about some of the trending technology. As well as from the CSIT student, they should expect the same. Okay, like you have to know about the some of the new different technology like machine learning, data science, blockchain, IoT, DevOps. So prepare any one technology. Okay, you can prepare the basic from intermediate, so it will very helpful in order to crack the interview. Because in the digital interview they check what are the different, मतलब मेरे कहने का मतलब ये है कि क्या डिफरेंट है आपके अंदर, मतलब वो आपको सिलेक्ट क्यों करें TCS डिजिटल के लिए. दिस इज वन ऑफ द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट, like why they are select you for this role TCS digital. Okay, because your resume is very important, your introduction and CSIT subject. If you are from CSIT, non CSIT, आप सभी को prepare करना पड़ेगा. And the DBMS and the one subject is also added, computer network, OS and object oriented programming and data structure. These all subjects are very important. You can check the top interview questions. Okay, top interview questions from so many websites like Java, T-Point websites and all about that. Okay, in the MR interview there is a situation based question. In the HR interview there is a common question according to the Ninja. If I talk about the Ninja, MR and HR, so I shared one PDF with all of you that is related to your preparation. So when you open this PDF, so there is a digital expected question, and this all questions are related to the Geeks for Geeks platform. Okay, so they mention that like if you are preparing related to the Java, so what are the technical questions you can expect in the Java, as well as what are the some DBMS based question. For the managerial round, then they try to test your perspective on technology and your knowledge about various tech giants out there. One of the most important point, this is related to the managerial round is related to the digital interview. Okay, so how do you think Facebook manage its data? When you search something on Google, in what way it rank its result? So this is related to the digital interview. Okay, and what are the HR questions? So in the HR question, sometimes they ask some situation based question, like there are 3 bulbs in one room and 3 switches are in another room. How you will find which switch is for which bulb? You can go to the room where bulb are present only once. So this type of questions you can expect in the digital interview. Okay, so one of the most important point, the digital interview is not so much tough. Your confidence is very important. If you not know any of the answer of a particular question, so simply say in your interview, no sir, I can't recall about that, but after completion of interview surely I will look into that. So this is very good for you. And if you are preparing related to the TCS Ninja question, so when you see there is a technical round question, MR round question and HR round. So I already mentioned what are the some technical round question they will ask and related to that. And for the MR and HR interview, one of the most important point, you have to prepare very well. Your communication is very important at this time, and this is the complete preparation for the TCS Ninja and digital interview. I hope this video is useful for everyone. If your interview is in the upcoming days, like after 14 September, please prepare very well for your interview. I hope this video is useful for everyone. Best of luck for your interview. If you have any doubt, please comment in the comment section, and for sure we will upload some of the good videos that is related to your preparation, as well as some of the important updates. Thanks for watching the video.